Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an epic showdown between two fantastic fitness machines.
On the left, we have the Sperax walking pad, and on the right, we have the Cursor Fitness home folding treadmill.
Get ready for some serious comparisons, controversial opinions, and of course, a lot of laughs.
Let's dive right in.
Both the Sperax walking pad and the Cursor Fitness home folding treadmill are priced at just $299, making them both very affordable options.
In terms of motor power, both treadmills offer a 2.5 HP motor. The Sperax walking pad is equipped with a quiet motor, allowing for a smooth and stable run without disturbing others.
The Cursor Fitness treadmill also features a brushless motor that is powerful, efficient, and low maintenance. When it comes to features, the Sperax walking pad offers a convenient LED display and a remote control for easy speed adjustment.
It's installation-free and designed to save space. On the other hand, the Cursor Fitness treadmill provides a digital LED console with real-time feedback on time, speed, distance, calories burned, and even heart rate.
It also comes with 12 preset programs and a spacious running area. In terms of design, the Sperax walking pad features a durable steel frame, a multi-layer shield designed for shock absorption and noise reduction, and a non-slip running belt for added safety. The Cursor Fitness treadmill, on the other hand, offers a sleek and modern design that will complement any home gym. It is also foldable, allowing for easy storage when not in use. When it comes to warranty and customer support, the Sperax walking pad offers a thoughtful gift option, and the Cursor Fitness treadmill comes with Cursor Care service, providing 24/7 support.
However, the Cursor Fitness treadmill takes the lead in this category with its extended 5-year warranty that covers the frame structure for 5 years and parts for 1 year. Based on online reviews, the Sperax walking pad is praised for being lightweight, quiet, and easy to operate.
It is recommended for walking on a flat surface and is suitable for light to moderate usage.
On the other hand, the Cursor Fitness home folding treadmill is highly recommended for its ease of use, compact size, and affordable price.
It is suitable for home workouts on days with bad weather and provides a smooth walk.
Ultimately, the choice between the two treadmills depends on personal preferences and needs.
And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the Sperax walking pad and the Cursor Fitness home folding treadmill in various categories, and it's clear that both have their strengths. Ultimately, the choice depends on your personal preferences and needs. Remember, always do your research before making a purchase, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up.
Stay tuned for more exciting comparisons on Buy Smart.
Happy shopping, everyone!